It's not really my studio, but.
Suddenly, what happened?
Wow. Who is this guy?
Whoa.
It's a 90s call. Well, they want the camcorder back. Happy birthday.
Okay, let's sing first. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Helen. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, make a wish.
Make a wish shot. Don't spit on it.
No, another one. This is not available.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a quick photos. Oh, thank you for coming, guys. I know I only know some of you today, but yeah.
We love you, Helen. Okay, everybody.
Let's take a group picture. I just want to say hi.
Kind of block the back.
Sorry.
No worries.
I hate to zoom though. It's clicky. It's a clicky.
Alright.
It's not just like.
Oh man,
religion.
alright, let's do it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Gang.
I was looking at them recently. Got the
online.
You have to look. You gotta have a nice.
Happy birthday.
Is that bite into it?
Yeah, bite into it.
You get that piece.
Yo, this because of the camcorder, it just feels like it's like a start of a found footage.
I know, right?
Looks good.
This is the prologue of like a found
The
footage.
beginning of a horror movie. Claire,
I used to think I couldn't do a photo
If you
shoot,
wanna
and then like
vlog,
he asked me if
like,
I
see,
could do a photo shoot of me, and I've
like-
never done one before. And I did it, and it's like, it was awkward the first 3 shots, and then I was just packed.
can one of you guys wave? Hold on.
Like, he got a few shots that were like the in-between shots, and that felt like that feels like me.
Trying to get the
I
reflection.
think it's just like, I asked him, I was like, how much do you trauma bond?
My reflection in my sunglasses.
Because
Oh, why is it upside down?
Oh, 'cause it's- like this.
So
It doesn't flip.
And he's like, oh,
It's not that fancy.
What kind of hogwash is that? That's upside down.
like, look, where did you get it?
Walmart. Walmart.
In between.
$20.
Like, these are some
$20
really nice shots.
That's why.
Maybe I'll get one. Those. I really like the aesthetic. These are kind of.
I don't know why I put down. Oh, that's a I was gonna get it. Yeah, that's fish taco. I know, it's weird. Get that.
What is this? Fish
I'll get a
taco?
new piece.
You getting more cake? Are you getting more cake? Sorry.
Yeah, one with apple. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it closer like
I don't. Do I look?
Are you having a good birthday, Ellen? Yeah?
Birth month.
Birth month. Yeah, not just day, birth month. The whole month is yours. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
No, I said that's still normal.
It's really not that bad though.
Like, after all that, then you just like separate yourself from me.
It's like, how many percent?
Is this my water? That's yours, right?
That's mine.
This is one of my favorite sunglasses. Because it brings out my alien even more. Love it. Love it.
You're alien.
The dancing alien right now.
You should like invent like your own alien dance move, and then make a sticker out of it. Seriously.
Cut.
on your neck.
Gabe, what is that?
It's a fan. I can take it there. Are you a fan?
Is that your only fan?
This is my only fan.
Is that your only fan?
You always do the like transitions. I don't know if it works.
It's a video.
Yeah, it's video.
Why are you posing?
Oh.
Have to maintain my meanness to you.
Like I won't spend more than $15, otherwise it's a waste.
What is that?
It's killing it.
So every time she finds a video of a person struggling with chopsticks, I
That's kind of hilarious.
I only did that for one time. One time only.
You mean like yesterday?
That was the one time.
The first time.
The first of many,
The
hopefully.
first of many. It's a hard.
Yeah.
I mean, that kid was dumber than me because he was struggling with sushi. And I was like, dude, just fucking stop it. Oh!
That's what I do. I would probably do the same.
I don't think you should. I don't think you should stab a sushi.
Do you guys think you need therapy?
Yeah, that's like, oh, that's
Over-
violence.
Over chopsticks? Solve all your problems. Just stab it. Yeah.
What about when right like the fusion or they kind of like, even now it's just like
Isn't it? It's like, so let me ask you this. So do you think it's because
Get his
we've
boogers out?
become more accepting of different cuisines?
It's a party.
Wow, they heard me.
yeah, they were like, screw you.
If it was cooler and darker, I'd be dancing. What are you doing?
Flag looks cool.
We were just more product.
These are all photographers. They're actual photographers.
Come on, Wayne. Sorry, I'm not that. Thank you guys. 2, 3. Caption is, you're trying to be part of NYC chat. Get my
Look out.
It's supposed to f***ing rain.
Nintendo's Tony Bell. Wait, we got all the. I charged for this.
Oh, you really go through your following?
Oh, you probably already tagged yourself, did you?
Myself.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? Oh, you did. Sorry.
You can like separate without like adding everybody to circle chat. Like you can have sections. Because I mean, I guess it's close friends, but like there's no. Yeah, that would actually be a good update. Yeah, like you have the broad following